Futures Trader Elite here. I want to go over this trade I took. I put out an NQ pre-market prep video this morning in Discord. I don't know if anybody got to watch it, but I went over these exact two plays in that video this morning. I said we'd have to wait and see how the market reacted today, but there was a play up there for the gap fill play that was on the chart, and then a higher time frame trend line was inside the zone box around 700. Had all this confluence of price up there, and I was done trading today, and then sometime halfway through power hour I came back and just to check some things out, and then lo and behold, there it is. It was making a drive up to the gap fill. Didn't really get the pullback that I was expecting to see on that. When it tagged that, I kind of got in a little deep, pretty heavy. I did get out and was okay, and then I just started scalping it there for the next several candles, but I still didn't do as well as I wanted. And then after that, you can see that we broke structure of the gap fill play, and I had taken the one contract in there and followed that up with a stop, made like a couple $100 on it. But my main trade that I'm looking for is to tag this trend line. It's like the daily, the 4 hour, they're all the same on the top side of the chart. I mean, it's a major time frame zone area for rejection. So I loaded up there with some sell orders. I think you really gotta be patient and sometimes wait for some of these trades. They can be some of the best trades. I try to get information out there for you guys ahead of time, like this morning, so that this is something you can pay attention to. Maybe if someone else wanted to trade it, you got to trade with your own risk, though. I feel comfortable with this trade. That's why I discussed it in the video this morning. You know, if you want to join the Discord, links on YouTube channel. All right, so I finally picked up one contract here. We're going to see what happens. I'm expecting, what I would like to see is a major down candle with this trade, especially from that higher time frame line. Now I got two contracts, three. You know, the ATR ain't really high, but that zone box I already had on my screen, so I figured I'd line up some more orders up in that area just in case it swept that trend line. I'm gonna put in a buy stop over here if this candle drops down enough. Yeah, I need to put one in right here, sell at least one in case it bounces up there and catches some. And then if it goes down, I'll just follow it with the stop. Ooh wee, look at that. I had them two orders set. I bring this follow this down with this stop I have here. That's the candle I was just talking about. I want to find. I'm out of the trade. I locked in like $1,200 on that drop right there. These are trades that you got to be able to find every day. Certain zones, sleeper trades, zone boxes, trend lines. There is a confluence, support and resistance. Look at that, it's already sucking all the way back up. That's why it's important to get out of these trades. For more content like this, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.